Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today I'm going to make another video about Toshiba portable AC. I have this portable AC in my bedroom now, and I made a couple video about it. So I still have a question regarding drain. I made a video last week, I believe. I explained about the drain, but still people asking about how about the drain, how much water and stuff. So this video I'm going to cover only drain. I'm in a Fresno and Sanger area. So my area is pretty much dry. I'm using only AC, not the humidifier. If we are using only as an AC, we don't need to install any drain or anything. So there's not going to be much of water. Like if you go backside your AC, there's two drains. I have one over here and one at the bottom. So in this room, I have an AC for almost 1 month and I never drain any water yet, and I don't have any drain installed. So this one going to be have a little bit of water because it's create condensation and water comes over here, but with the heat this water getting dry. So in this video I will open both drains, see how much water we getting. This drain a little bit hard. We need something like really flat thing goes under, or you have to pick up your AC. And this one easy. If you remove cap, and then inside we have another plastic one. What you have to do, you have to hold something here and open cap. I know there are going to be maybe a couple drops, but I don't need to put anything if I have it. Oh, here we go, no water. So I have a rag to clean. What you can do also, you can hold somehow and you can dump your water like that if there is. So far here no water. I'm gonna install this plug again back. You catch it. So what you do, if you don't want to install permanent drain, I don't have any room here where I can drop this drain, but I will open every month and see how much water I'm getting, and I will drain. For this one, I'm choosing this plate. Let's see, might be gonna be water a little bit more than this plate, because this one is drained. This gonna have a lot of water, might be not a lot. It's been 1 month now and it having only that much water. So that's the way I say you don't need to install drain, because this AC is the creating condensation. Water goes and this drain and up drain, and over time with the heat this water getting dried. You can install if you're using as a humidifier, but you need to run long pipe where this water can go outside or something. It's not possible. It's not really possible. That's why they made it like that. So that's the way it's portable. So I don't have that much water. I'm gonna just plug it back in. You don't need it. Make sure you plug it really good. Then you cap this one back. I'm holding camera with my hand, so my camera sometimes moves around. So now I put cap back. So let's see how much water. I have only that much water. So basically you don't need to install drain if you're using it as an AC. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with the new topic.